So we're here at the CDV apartment building here at Lancaster, and we have an old elevator here that's been modded with innovation. Check this out. This was originally an old general elevator from the early 1960s. Take up to 6. Here on 6, I believe this might be on the original motor. And the B, basement's locked, so we're back down to 1. I believe this is the original cab. Black window. It was a vintage general. Very nice though. Here's your floor indicator. This is elevator number 1, the only elevator in this apartment building. There's your certificate. This elevator was installed back in 1963, modernized sometime late 2010s. Anyways, these are your buttons. Innovation Bruiser, capacity 2,000 pounds. There's the old general elevator nameplate on the door track. And you're 1. I like how they kept the original indicator. Looks like somebody's going to use the elevator, so we'll let them use the elevator. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. And we'll watch those people leave. Not get them on the camera. And despite the innovation slap on mod, still a pretty cool elevator. Anyways, that will be it.